What is up? It's the end of the week. Trading is done. It is the first full week of 2026 in January, which is actually insane. Let's go. Little drum roll right there. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Now, today was Friday. This was actually out of the whole week, Monday to Friday. This is the first red day I had. I did lose a whole 2 grand, almost 3 grand actually. But again, losses happen in trading, and I actually finished the full week up 8.6K, which is very, very, very good, even after that loss. So again, losses happen in trading. One red day should not define you as a trader, and especially should not give back all your profits. Again, it's crazy. Now, I'm going to give you guys a little bit of an example of what you shouldn't do. Now, I am going to shout out one of my students. He just joined a few days ago, and he did absolutely amazing. Monday to Thursday, he made like over 9 grand, 7 grand. And then today, his emotions got to him, and he was over trading, and it went on till, and he lost 8.1K in one day. And again, I talked to him about it. We want to call. I made sure he shouldn't do it again. But it was a very good learning experience, especially a good learning experience for you, making sure that you do not overtrade. And when you do take a loss, you walk away, make it as small as possible, and come back stronger. So I'm going to go ahead and go onto the charts right now, talk to you about the trading that we did today, why we took a loss today, the things that we could have done better, the things that we did right, and go from there. If you haven't already, make sure you like and subscribe to this video, and I'll see you guys in the charts. So here is Friday. Here is price action. I am actually going to go ahead and delete everything just to make it have a clean start and beautiful screen. Now let's go to the 15-minute time frame here. Now before I even get into the PA of today, I am just going to let you guys know, if you guys are part of my training community, you guys already know this, but if you guys are tuning in for the first time, welcome. But I use 3 moving averages, or excuse me, 2, the 150 and the 200-day moving average. And then I have the VWAP as well, which is these 3 lines. Now, if you guys are curious about these green dashes and these red dashes, that's my own algo that helps me identify buying and selling pressure as well with trend direction. So it really helps me identify the overall market. Now, the first thing that I do as a trader is I go ahead and I chart out my zones, my buying and my resistance levels, just like so. So we're going to quickly go ahead and do that. Chart out our buying pressure, our selling pressure. Sometimes I even am able to use the actual algo to help me identify these moves. I go to different time frames to make sure that I am doing this correctly. And so just off of 3 lines, this tells me everything that I need. It literally tells me everything. So if we go to the 2-minute time frame here and we zoom on in here, I'll tell you the exact trades that I did and what I did incorrectly, right? On market open, we dumped straight to what? A support zone, right? And we bounced all the way back up. We started trading above the 150. We started trading above the 200, and we started trading above the VWAP. So I'm like, cool, buying pressure's there. Oh, let's see if we can get some type of breakout. And again, let me go to the 1-minute time frame to really show you guys. If we can get some type of breakout to the upside, this will look really, really good. If we can get above, what is this? 25,766. And that's the exact trade I did. I took longs on this break. Well, guess what? Volume decided right 7 minutes after market open, volume started to what? No, sideways. We could not close above this. And because we could not close above this, we came right back down and we started consolidating. And I took 2 attempts to try to get above this, attempt number 1 and attempt number 2, and we took a little bit of an L. And I walked away after the 2 losses. Again, just like I showed you guys, 2.7K. But again, I could have tried to keep on going, waited for it to pull him back, get in here, and then try to take the break again for the 3rd time, but I had to stop. I had to wait. Now, again, you can see it finally actually decided to break and really shoot up, and you can see how the market really was actually super bullish and just started really ripping higher and higher and higher and higher. But just because I took those 2 trades and took losses on them, I had to stop trading. Because why? I want to stay green for the week. I don't want to get emotional. I don't want to give back my profits for the week. I took a loss. I have to absorb it. Even though later in the day the play would have worked out, I had to just be happy, content, and just sit on my hands and wait for next week. And that's exactly what I did. So if you guys are losing, or you guys have had 2, 3, 4 green streaks and had a very bad loss in one trading day and then absolutely just wrecked it because of that, it's because you guys don't know when to walk away. Because you guys go on emotional tilt. Which I get it. It's frustrating. It's annoying. It happens. But we have to know if we do it, and we have to stop it. So I just wanted to make a quick video on Friday about the P&Ls, how we did, the market conditions, what we shouldn't do, even though our strategy works. It's about sometimes jumping the gun can hurt us, or trying to take a trade when we should wait for a little bit more confirmation, like I didn't do, but still walked away green. So if you guys learned something, make sure you guys give it a like. If you guys have questions about whatever it is, strategies, zones, moving averages, or anything like that, I'll be more than happy to tell you guys. But keep staying green, keep staying smart, and always keep leveling up.